angel's wings in gentle release. Soft steps echo through the air, carrying music calm and fair. A harp held close with shining grace, light reflected on their face. Notes descend like healing rain, easing sorrow, softening pain. When the harp begins to play, shadows fade and fears give way. Every chord a whispered sign, guiding hearts to the divine. A melody of hope untold, lifting spirits soft and bold. Through the stillness visions rise, showing truth behind the skies. Harmony within each sound turns the world to sacred ground. Though the message comes from height, discernment keeps the path in sight. Trust the peace your heart can hear, let it guide you without fear. When the harp begins to play, shadows fade and fears give way. Every chord a whispered sign, guiding hearts to the divine. A melody of hope untold, lifting spirits soft and bold. Sometimes guidance comes as a gentle